Craig Janaka, Sprayer Specialist with Case IH, here to demonstrate, show you how to utilize your phone settings along with your radio settings on your Pro 1200. So first off, going down on the armrest, utilizing my soft keys here. So to access my radio, I would hit the soft key with the music note. That's then going to bring up the radio on my Pro 1200. Once I have that brought up, now I have the ability to set up my volume controls. I have the ability to scan radio stations. I have the ability to change different bands. And I also have 6 programmable radio station selections there. So again, going through that, if I want to have preset stations, all I would have to do is scan for a station, press and hold. Now I would have my station set up there. So that's how I would access my radio. To access my phone, again, there's a symbol of a phone key, soft button on my armrest. I would press that. Now I would have the ability to have my phone on there. So I can add my phone, so turning on my Bluetooth, that's going to pair my phone via the radio. So now it's going to come through the radio, through the speakers, speaking through there. Once I've paired my phone, it'll bring in my contact list, and now I have the ability to answer in phone calls utilizing my Pro 1200 and my radio. So that's the setup procedures and steps that you would go through to utilize your radio and your phone with the Pro 1200.